Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. Now you need this. Yeah. If you are a product guy like me or a startup guy, or if you want to understand all of those, or maybe you want to know about side hustles or some other really difficult things which have a lots of jargon like entrepreneurship, VC, products, side hustles, or business models, or whatever. Okay, freelancing even. So you can learn about all of these things in this platform in a really funny way. So it will provide you comics regarding it. Okay, so let's together view what this platform is about and what they are providing. Okay, let's get started. So here is our today's platform, that is Off Track. A really great name, as it's a website that is really taking a different approach for uh, difficult things. So we have three sections: VCs, startup, and Web3. Okay, so three categories, but rather than that, let's start with startups. Okay, shall we? Okay. So what is MVP, minimum viable product? So we have like comic regarding that. So if we click on it, yeah, startup metrics basic. What are the categories of it? Track. Wait, hide. Wait. So here it is. You can save it or love it, like it, whatever they want wanna call it. Comment on it and share it as well. If you can log into this, in that way you will get it. So it's really in comic form, as you can see. Minimum viable product contributor Akshit Harti. Really great doodles. And here you can see in the comic format they have explained all of those things. And this is really great. Okay, and here are like some of the other things, some of the others, like related to this. That is some of the others comics related to this. So we have tons of other topics as well. Okay, wait, it's in track. Okay, wait. Let's go to another. Maybe let's go to now in wave three. One of the wave three. So airdrops. Let's see what are airdrops. Okay, I also don't know what are airdrops. So we have our airdrop comic here. So same format of comic. Okay, wait. Sorry, extremely sorry. So here is the another comic that we can see over here. Now I don't wanna like read and go through all of this because obviously that is your portion to do. Because what will you do? Read you comics? That doesn't make sense, right? Here is another comic that is regarding play to earn. So yeah, there are tons of topics that are explained over here, and as we can see, there are some vlogs also. Maybe wait, let's see this. Yeah, we have it. Is it Substack? Yeah. So basically, they have explained everything in their Substack in a comic format, and they are just linking that to it. Yeah, because this is a software website. So in software, obviously, you can create a website from what it is called, from Airtable. So I think they have just kept the thumbnails over here and give this like name and like author name, and that's it. That's how they have created and linked all of those this what kind of thing, like blob thumbnails to this site. We in which they have this off track comic letter. So here you can also get all of the things, I think. Yeah, here you can also get all of the things. That's really great. Really, really great. Archive. Wow. There are really tons of things like this. And here also you can search it, right? Like if I search about NFT, yeah, we have play to earn. I really don't understand now why they have made this when they have already Substack website. They should have directly give this Substack website. But still, they have made it just to like easily discover all of their newsletter. So this is basically a space where you can get same things like things like this. Obviously, they are newsletters in comic format and in easily searchable way. So yeah, I will be using both of them to be honest. So yeah, that's it for this side. That's it for off track. And obviously it will help you to understand everything easily, like understand this complex concept easily. So let me know if it is helpful for you, not if you like it or not. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know the some of the great websites like these which have literally like different kind of stuffs like this, please let me know about all of them so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.